Hello children, I am Ramya Bharati. From today onwards, I am going to take mathematics to you. So, let's start with addition. In day-to-day life, everyone needs addition. So, we'll start with a little game. So, we'll start with game of addition. We have a landlord who has a house which has 100 rooms here. So, some of the rooms have to be painted. Room number 5 is painted. Now, he has to go to room number 15. To reach room number 15 from room number 5, we can go in two ways. First one is 5 to 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. He can pass every room and then reach room number 15 which he wanted to reach, or he can jump from room number 5 to room number 15. Here passing, he needs to pass 10 rooms. Which will be 5 plus 10. Or he can jump 5 from 5 to 15, which is also so. Let's say he has to move from 15th room to 45th room. How many times he has to jump or he has to pass? Let's say. So now he is in 15th room. Let's see if what happens if we jump once. We'll go to 25th room. From 15 to 25th. Let's see what happens if we jump one more time. 35. Again we will be going to 35. So what happens if we jump one more time? We will reach 45th room. For one jump, we will cross 10 rooms. So likewise, we would have been crossed 3 times 10 rooms, which will give, he crossed 30 rooms. So 15 plus 30 will be 45. He would have reached 45th room by jumping 3 times 10 rooms. Now let's try and solve some problems. What if he has to move from 66 to 10 rooms? He is in 66, then he is moving 10 rooms. Then he will be going to 76th room. Now we will see he is in 45th room. Okay. He has to move to 66th room. So there are two ways of moving. For example, he is in 45th room. He will jump once so that he will move to 55th room, and then jump again so that he will move to 65th room. Then again he has to pass one room. Then he will be reaching 66th room, which is 45. He crossed 10 rooms here and then 10 rooms here, which is 20. He will be reaching 65th. Then he has to go to 66th room. So he will be passing only one room from 65th to 66, where he will reach 66th room. Or he can use another method, like he will pass from 45th room to 46th room, from where he will go to, he will have one jump, which is 56th room, and then another jump 66th room. So here it will be 45 plus 1. he will move from 45 to 46. So 45 plus 1, he is moving once, passing only one room. He will reach 46 and then he will be jumping twice, which is 10 room each. So 20, which is 66. Okay. Now let's see what happens in a shop. So Nitish and Nirmala went shopping with their mothers. Nitish asked for pomegranate and Nirmala asked for watermelon. The shopkeeper said pomegranate is 49 rupees and watermelon is 42 rupees. Now their mom has to give them how much amount? 49 plus 42. Here you see we have 49 rupees for pomegranate and 42 rupees for watermelon. We can write this as 40 plus 9, which is 49 rupees means 40 rupees plus 9 units. And then we can write this as 40 rupees plus 2 rupees. Now you have tens here. 40 rupees plus 40 rupees plus 9 rupees plus 9 rupees. You will be having 80 rupees plus 9 rupees plus 2 rupees will be 11 rupees, which is 91 rupees. This is the amount that their mother has to give the shopkeeper. Let's solve more problems like this. Now let's add 43 and 35. We can write this 43 as 40 plus 3 and then this 35 as 30 plus 5. Now 40 and 30, they are tens, so we are writing it together, and then units, 3 units plus 5 units. We will be getting 30 plus 40, 40 plus 30 will be 70 and 3 plus 8, 3 plus 5 will be 8. We will be having 78. Likewise 23 plus 64, which is 20 plus 3 plus 60 plus 4, which is 20 plus 60 plus 3 plus 4. 20 plus 60 will be 80 plus 3 plus 4 will be 7, which is 87. Try and solve 61 plus 16 and then 43 plus 34. Now let's see a story. Once upon a time, a snake has arranged a party to all the animals to whom it was giving trouble. It invited all the families of rat, frogs and ants. When the animals came to know the decision of snake, they did not believe, as many were troubled by him. So they together refused the snake's invitation. The snake was disappointed. It requested all the animals to again and again said while coming, count your numbers, while going back count your numbers again. I do not trouble you anymore. I am telling you the truth. Believe me. Please fulfill my ambition. All of them agreed with the words of the snake. A big frog took responsibility to take all the rat, frogs and ants. It promised to bring 200 members back. So the big frog said there will be 200 members in the party. So it counted while going, and then while coming back it counted. There were number of rats, 46 rats, and then ants, 37, and then frogs, 109. So let's see what did the snake do. Let's start with this 2. We'll add number of frogs and number of hens. While adding, we have to write them in a place value with vertical thing. So here it will be 100, and then here it will be tens, and here it will be the units. You already know that the last one will be unit, and then before that tens, and then hundreds. So the number of frogs will be 109, and then number of hens 37. 3 is the tens and 7 is the unit. Now we are going to add number of units. What are the, we are adding the digits in the units. 9 plus 7 will be 16. We are getting 1 tens here. So we are moving it to the top. Here we will be having 1 10, and then here we will be having 6 units. So we are having 1 10 here, and then 0 10 here, and then 3 tens here. So 1 plus 3 will be 4, and then here we have 100, here we have no 100. So it will be 100. So the total number of frogs and hens will be 146. Now we are going to add total number of frogs and hens with number of rats. (146). Like same wise, 100, tens and units. And number of rats. Rats will be 46. 40 is a tenth, and then 6. So 6 plus 6 will be 12. This 10 will go on the top. So we have 1 here, and then 4 here, and then 4 here. 1 plus 4 will be 5. 4 plus 4 will be 9. And then 1. So how many of the animals returned from the party will be 192. Let's solve some more problems. A farmer has grown 264 bunches of banana the previous year and 123 bananas this year. So let's add how many bunches of banana he has grown. Number of bananas last year will be 264. 100, tens and units. Number of bananas this year will be 123. So we always should start adding from the unit. 4 plus 3 will be 7, and then we'll start with, next we move to tens. 6 plus 2 will be 8, and then 2 plus 3, 2 plus 1 will be 3. So totally the farmer has grown 387 bananas in 2 years. So the key parts to solving a problem will be, first you have to write them in a write them according to place value. For example, units, hundreds, tens, and then start solving from unit. And then goes to tens, and then hundreds. Now we'll solve exercise 3.1, first problem. Both Ashok and Nitish had a rose garden each. There are 266 roses in Ashok's garden and 314 roses in Nitish's garden. Total, how many roses are there? So we'll add them both. Number of roses in Ashok's garden. Will be 266. This will be 100 and then this is tenth and this is unit. 266. And the number of roses in Nitish garden. Will be 314. So let's add. We always should start from unit. So 6 plus 4 will be 10. 0 and 10. We have 110. We are keeping it here. So 1 plus 6 will be 7. 7 plus 1 will be 8. Now we are moving to 100. Here we have 200 and here we have 300. So 2 plus 3 will be 5. There are totally 580 roses in their garden. This is how you should solve additional problems. Question number 2 and 3, 2 will be your problem to solve as a homework. Now we are moving to addition without carrying. Here we won't be having any tens in the unit digit or in the tens digit. Now let's say we'll solve example 1. What is the sum of 348 and 231? Sum means addition. So we are going to add 348 and 231. Now we will write according to the place value. 3 is 100 and then tens. 4 is 40 tens and then unit value 8. The second one. 2 is 100, 3 is tens and then 1 is unit. 8 plus 1 will be 9 and then 4 plus 3 will be 7. 2 plus 3 will be 5. So the answer is 579. Let's solve one more problem. Add 576 and 422. 570 is a tens and then 6 is units. 400 is a tens, 120 is a tens and then 2 it's a unit. 6 plus 2 will be 8 and then 7 plus 2 will be 9. 5 plus 4 will be 9. So here we have the answer 998. Now we are moving to addition with carrying. In the unit place maybe we will be having tens, or in the tens place we will be having 100. How we will solve the problem, that's what we are going to see now. Sum of 466 and 176. We'll write it according to the place value. 400, 460 is the tens, 6 is the unit, and then again we have 176. So here we have 2 6. 6 plus 6 will be 12. We have 12, which means we have 1 tens here, which we have to put in the top. So we will be having 1 10 and then unit 2. Here we have 6. 6 plus 1 will be 7. 7 plus 7 will be 14. So here we will be having 4. 14 will be having. So here we have to keep it here. We have to carry the tens which we get here to the upper part. Here we have 1, here we have 4. 1 plus 4 will be 5. 5 plus 1 will be 6. So the total value will be 642. Let's solve another sum. Now we are going to add example 3. We are going to add 248 and 438. Now we'll write it according to their place value. Here 100 tens units. 248, 438. We have to add from the unit, right? So we are adding it from the unit. 8 plus 8 will be 16. So 6 and then the tens remaining here will go on the top. Now we are adding the number on the top and the 4. 4 plus 1 will be 5. Now we are adding 5 and 3. 5 plus 3 will be 8. 2 plus 4 will be 6. Let's solve one more sum. 299 plus 362. 100 tens units. 299 and 362. 9 plus 2 will be 11. This will go on the top. So you will be having unit as 1 and 1 plus 9 will be 10. 10 plus 6 will be 16. So this will go on the top of the 100. We'll get tens as 6 and then we'll be adding this 2. 1 plus 2 will be 3. 3 plus 3 will be 6. So the answer is 661. This is how we should solve the additional problems. You can solve more additional problems in exercise 3.2. I'll send you the homework. You have to finish it and send it to me. We'll be seeing more problems tomorrow. Okay. So these are the problems that we saw in addition. I'll send you the homework. Finish them and send it to me. Tomorrow we'll be seeing more problems about addition. Get back to you soon.